Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on some new things and I'm just gonna do my face. So my eyes are gonna be done in this video. I'm gonna foundation. I have new lipstick. I also have some cheek products that I'm really curious for you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to be using. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I have this new foundation from NARS. This is the light reflecting foundation. I have a new concealer to me. This is from Anastasia. And yeah, I'm really excited about these products. I also got those Danessa Myricks cheek and lip palettes. It's Moisture Glow lip plumping gloss from Makeup by Mario. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I don't like using new primers with new foundations, so I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage primer. This is really one of my favorite. This is very smoothing and you don't need a lot of this. Small amount goes a long way and it does smooth your skin. I do have my skincare, my SPF this morning, so I'm all ready to go. Start with the foundation. This is the NARS Reflecting Foundation. This is the packaging, and I got it in the shade Light 5 Fiji. I hope it works because I feel like it's gonna be very light on me. So this is what the foundation looks like. It has a 30 ml, and it's really suitable for all skin type. It has skincare benefits. It's a medium coverage and it's very liquidy, so you shake it really well. And I'm just gonna pump one pump first to see how. Okay, it's very small pumps. So this is what the foundation looks like on my hand. It's more on the runny side. It's not too runny though, but it's runny enough. So I'm gonna start with this amount here and I'm gonna apply it on one side of my face. And I'm using the It Cosmetics foundation brush. This is the angled one. Oh, the shade match is actually not bad. It's very hyped on YouTube. I've been seeing it all over YouTube, TikTok, Instagram as well. So I wanted to get it because I really like luminous foundations. So this claims to be luminous and hydrating. So I would say the coverage is more like a light to medium, buildable, but it's not straight medium coverage. But I do love the coverage. I do love the finish as well. It's not dewy, but it just has a luminous finish. So it's really pretty on the skin actually. Side with the foundation. This is no foundation. It's really pretty, very healthy looking on the skin. I really like it. It's really nice. And it's not oxidizing or anything, so it looks decent on my face. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna just use my brush. I do love the brush. I kind of go over my foundation with my sponge at the end. So probably because those pumps are very tiny, you need about maybe 3 pumps. It depends on how much coverage do you like. But for me, I would say 3 pumps, 2 maybe, 2 to 3 pumps. I just wasn't sure how much I use. I'm gonna try to wear it all day today and I will come at the end of my day, show you guys how it looks. I do have dry skin. I bought the Rare Beauty translucent setting powder. It was very hyped over YouTube here. I did try it out a couple times when I went to work. I just wasn't wowed by it, to be honest. So I did take it back. I did get the light shade, but I just didn't like it. I don't know why. Okay, so it looks really nice. It, as I said, it's not straight medium coverage. It's more like a light to medium, but perfect. Like it gives you that flawless finish. I really like it. It's really nice and pretty on the skin. It has enough coverage for me, so I don't really do more than this on my daily basis. So really like it. The color is really nice as well. it looks really, really good. And I like that luminosity, but it's very subtle. It's not dewy and sticky. I do have this new Essence What the Fake Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss. It looks similar to the Too Faced Lip Injection. And I'm gonna just place it on my lips before I do anything else. See how plumping this is. It has a tint to it, so it's turning a little bit reddish. This is called the Magic Touch Concealer from Anastasia, and I got my shade number 7. Again, this was very hyped on YouTube, so I really decided to get it. The color is actually perfect. It's not a sponge in my BoxyCharm. There were 2 of these, and I really, really like them. They're very soft, and they're bouncy. Medium to full, I think it says on the website. It's very hydrating, very thin texture. I really like the doe foot applicator as well. Yeah, the coverage is really pretty as well. But it's given me enough coverage to hide my tired under eyes. That's really pretty, actually. Concealer actually looks really, really nice, very flawless, and I really like the way it kind of makes my eyes very, very hydrating. It just kind of goes well with the foundation as well, so I really like that. The coverage, as I said, it's medium. I don't think it's full coverage, but maybe if you build it up, but I don't like too much stuff under my eyes. So before I jump into powders, I'm going to use these Danessa Myricks Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. Oh, you can use them on your lips too. Okay, and I got both shades, so you get 2. The names are called, this is called Do It Flirty, and we got Do It Undercover, which is more of a like a skin tone color. I don't have any new bronzers in this video, so I'm probably going to be using this palette here too. So probably, I don't know if this is gonna work. I just swatched them earlier, so probably I will use this one mixed with this one to be my bronzer. So I'll try and see if it works. So I'm gonna go. They're very creamy, very dewy, so pretty. It doesn't feel, I don't know, it doesn't feel sticky when I swatch them today. So, okay, I think that's gonna work. Okay, we'll just keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it with the same foundation brush. They're easy to blend, they just melt into your skin, as you can see. Okay, that's actually not too bad, but I'm gonna put some bronzer on top after, so I just want to try the color and see if it's gonna work as my bronzer, and it does actually. I thought this was gonna be too dark, because on Sephora's website, if you saw the shades, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be too dark for me, but it's actually not. So yeah, it's really, really pretty, very, very nice. So I'm gonna use this palette here, which is Do It Flirty. It has beautiful shades, you guys. I think the best way to blend these is your finger or a brush. I don't think a sponge would do good, because I tried earlier and it was getting stuck inside those like pores of the sponge. So I'm gonna use this brush again, and I'm not sure which shade to go for. Probably I will go with this peachy color, and I'm just gonna try because it's too light. I'm not sure if it's gonna show up on my skin tone, but try it. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Very, very pretty. Like, it's more of a peachy pink color. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like, I don't need a highlight today. I'm glowing. So pretty. Very, very good. Very nice product. So far, so happy about everything that I put on my face today. I love those dewy, healthy looking foundations, blushes on my skin. It just seems so youthful and young. And I really like cream products these days, so I'm obsessed. Okay, So before powders, again, I'm gonna use this Mcgrath Labs. This is the highlighter stick, and this is in the shade Golden. This is called Skin Fetish Highlighter Balm Duo. So you get a clear on one side and then the golden on one side here. They're both pretty. I did try this one before, like on a simple makeup day, but today I'm gonna be trying this beautiful golden shade. So gorgeous. I don't really need a highlight today, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just to try it out and see if it's easy to. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, if you use these products that I used, like the Danessa Myricks Dewy Cheek and Lip Palettes, you don't need a highlighter. I don't think you do. Just gonna put some on my nose, which I do like to do. I do love this lip gloss from Essence. It's really, really pretty actually. Very beautiful color. It's not too plumping, but it's gorgeous. I really like it. And I don't know if I mentioned the shade, but this is, I think it's just one. This has chili extract. I don't think it has a color, but it's this package here. I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to use something that I know is going to work. I just want to test the foundation and test the concealer as well. So I'm going to use my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I have to say the concealer has increased under my eyes, so I didn't really have to pat it with a sponge before. So that's a good thing. Like I usually pat my concealer first with a sponge, so it's not crazy. And as you can see, I'm just placing this under the eyes. I'm not taking it anywhere else because I need this dewiness to stay as is. I'm going to set my chin area because that's the area that my foundation moves all the time. And I'm going to be wearing a mask today, so probably I would do a little more. So the foundation hasn't settled into my fine lines or anything like that. So that's a good sign. So far, so good. Just gonna put a little bit powder here. Left in the lid, I'm just gonna take a little brush here, and I'm just gonna go over my cheek area here, just to kind of clean it. Gently on this side because I'm going to be placing a bronzer to be sticking to the blush right here. This is Marc Jacobs. This is a setting powder, but this is dark in the shade 400 Golden Fawn. I just use it as a bronzer, so I'm just going to warm up my forehead a little bit and warm up this area here. And maybe warm up my nose a little bit. Okay. I'm just going to take this off and I'm going to line up my lips. I did buy those Essence lip liner. Those are the pencil lippies. I always use their retractable pencils, but today I'm going to use those ones and try them out. I'm going to use the shade 05, which is called Legendary. Such a gorgeous shade that just looks like my lips but better. Okay, the shade on its own, it's so gorgeous. I can wear this one as a lipstick, to be honest, but today we're going to be trying out some new lippies from Makeup by Mario. So I did get the Lip Moisture Plumping Gloss, and I got the Apricot Glow and Bare Glow. And so you have Bare Glow and Apricot Glow. I feel like the Apricot Glow is a little bit more warm, so I'm going to be sticking to the Bare Glow. These are like clicky lipstick, but look at this glow. Like when I bought these, The minute I got into the car, I actually used them on my lips and it was so sunny. This lipstick looked gorgeous. Like, it was very shiny. It felt like I had an oil on my lips, but it was gorgeous with a tint of color. Oh my god, this is gonna be like my favorite nude lip combo. This is gorgeous. This formula, it's very hydrating, it's not sticky, it's not getting into the lines because it's very, very moisturizing. I hate those sticky ones that get into the fine lines and wrinkles and all these things. This is very smoothing. It gives you that beautiful, glowy, shiny lips. Really, really loving these products that I put on my face today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. So I will come back and show you how the foundation looks like. I know it's not fair. I said I'm going out and I'm going to be wearing a mask, but we'll see how it lasts with a mask. I am loving the finish of this foundation. It looks so stunning. It's not oxidizing, not settling into the lines, and it just makes me look flawless without having too much makeup on. That's what I think. It just looks so natural. Really, really loving the product. The concealer, it's stunning under the eyes. It's not accentuating anything yet. It's very hydrating as well, so it's really, really nice. The lip and cheek palette from Danessa Myricks, I'm really obsessed. The glow, it's unreal. You don't have to wear a highlighter with this one, as I said. Yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna go out and I will be back in a few hours. And guys, I'm back. It's 5:11 at the moment and I've been wearing this foundation for about 6 hours. Foundation looks flawless. I was wearing my N95 mask when I was shopping today, and I think it just looks amazing. It looks so beautiful on the skin. It's not settled anywhere, and still looks very, very glowy, and everything else looks the same, like my blush, my highlight. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.